So today I want to talk about 5 ways that you can start using in this 2023 and start making money online. I know you want to learn this and you are watching this video because you want to learn how you can start making money online. I will give you 5 strategies and you can choose one and go and start using this method to start making money online. You can duplicate it if you want, but just keep on watching. Let us deep into this video. So the first way that you can use to make money online, like the first strategy that you can start using right now to start making money online, is to start making logos. You can become a logo designer. By doing this, you are going to be getting paid. The budget will depend on you. You can decide to charge your clients $100, $50, $10. It just depends on you. So you are the one that will decide the price, how much you are going to be charging your client. So that is how you can use this first strategy, which is making money by becoming a logo designer. So you design a logo for your client and you get paid in return. So where are you going to be able to post your offer, your services? You don't have a website, you don't have anywhere. You can go to Fiverr. Go to Fiverr and create your seller account, and you can create a gig. It's called a gig. You create this gig, and through this your gig, you can publish it and make it live on Fiverr. Yes, and when viewers click on it and they want to become a client, they can buy it. When they buy it, you as the person that is going to offer these services, you will be the one that will now ask them details about how they want the service to look like, and they will send all the information to you and you can start the work. Once the work is done, you will receive your money. So that is how you can become a logo designer. It's very simple and you can take advantage of this strategy right now if you want. And the second way you can use to make money online is to start designing websites. You can become a web designer, or you can become if you are a developer, you can make money by doing this. So what you have to do is still very simple. You need to, even if you are not a professional, look, one strategy that is good. You can become a web designer, and let me say your client is looking for a developer. You yourself can hire a developer and you can do the designing. So you can combine all the price and make it to look like you are the one that is doing the job. I'm just giving you idea here. You know, some people, they know how to, they are just a web designer and they are not a developer. So web designer is different from a developer. Developer is different. So I want you to understand here. So if you are a web designer, you already know what I'm talking about. If you're a web developer, you already know what I'm talking about. So if you are both, you can make tons of money. And there's people that is charging $2,000, $5,000. It depends on how much you are willing to charge your clients, or what you know that clients are willing to pay. So that is it. Put yourself in their shoe and decide like, how much will I be willing to pay to these people, or will I be willing to pay to anyone who want to create a website for me? Then you can fix the price. That is what I recommend that you should do. So that is it. You can make money by becoming a web designer or a web developer. So that is it. So how can you create your gig? How can you create your services if you don't have a website? How can you advertise yourself or get in touch with clients? The first way, like I said, is on Fiverr. Go to Fiverr, create your seller account, publish your web designer service, and if they order it, you will offer the services to them. You can start the work, ask them the information, what they need, how they want it to look, and you will deliver it to them. Once you deliver it, if they like it, you can ask them to confirm the order, and the money will be sent into your bank account. So that is how you can make money by creating website. On this third strategy, this is the third idea or the third strategy that you can start using to make money in this 2023, is you can start buying and selling products. I will show you 2 ways. The first way is to create a website. When you create a website, what you have to do, once you are done creating your website, then you import the products you import products to your website, list it, and start advertising your website on Google, on internet. If anyone buy this product, you will go to this seller and buy the product from this seller, put the person that buy the product from your website, put the address of the person that buy the product from your website, and send it to your client. So that is how you can make money. That is the first strategy on this buying and selling. And the second way is if this one require investment, you need to order the product online. Look, you order the product online, like in AliExpress, Alibaba, or Amazon. Order the product to your house, and you can go and list this product on Facebook Market and start making money in this way. So by doing this, clients are going to contact you and you are going to meet them. This is face to face. You do it one-on-one with them. So that is how this third way work. You do it with, you do the business one-on-one. It's not like you sending the product to their email or their address or their country. Now you are meeting them one-on-one. You buy the product to your house, so you meet the person like, okay, let us meet in a particular joint and I will give you the product. They will contact you through Facebook Market and you meet them one-on-one. You talk with them and you agree with, once you have agreed with the amounts you listed it on a Facebook Market, you can contact them. They'll give you their address. Either they come where you are or you go to where they are and you exchange the product. They give you your money and you make your money. So that is how you can make money, by buying and selling products. So that is the third way. And the fourth way you can start using right now to start making money online, that you can make big amounts of money online, is to start blogging online. So this method is very, very simple because you can do this even if you don't have any money. So how does this strategy work? Look at how it works. First thing, what you have to do is to go and create a free website. I made a website on bloggerspot.com. I made a video on how you can create a website on bloggerspot.com. Create your free website and start reviewing other companies, blogging about them. And if they click, and once you blog about them, add your affiliate link. If they click on it, they make any purchase through that your affiliate link, you are going to make money. And the second way you can still use to make money through that your website is to monetize this your website with Google AdSense. Let me say, for example, your website is getting a lot of traffic. You can say, okay, since I'm getting a lot of traffic, and you can start monetizing your website with two strategies. You can monetize your website first by blogging about other companies, adding their product link, and if they click on it, buy from that company, you will make money. And you will still be making money from ad that is showing on that your website. That is how you can make money. You can even use three strategy. This three strategy that you can use to, like, you can add to this your blogging business, is to partner with other companies. There's people that will say, okay, we want you to sponsor us on your website since you are having a lot of traffic. So what you have to do is to create a banner for this company and enter it on your website. By you doing this company is going to pay you either monthly or one-time payment, permanent payment. It just depends on the agreements you make with these companies, and they are going to pay you for you posting their banner or talking about their website on that your blogging website. So you know now how you can make money with blogging in three strategy, which is you can start blogging with, you can start making money with affiliate on that your blogging website, and you can start making money by promoting other company, which is sponsoring, and you can start make money by Google AdSense, by monetizing your website with AdSense. So that is it, and let us move to the final part of this video, which is this part is simple and you can do this for 100% free. You can start making money online by reviewing apps, taking survey, watching videos, and doing a bunch of other things, and you are getting paid. So, but this one, you are not going to make a lot of money. So that is what I want you to understand in this part. This one, you're not going to be able to make a lot of money, but you are entitled of getting a reward by reviewing a particular company or apps. In 2 minutes or 5 minutes, you are done, and you will get paid by just doing this. It can be 1 cent, it can be 2 cents, it can be 10 cents. They are going to pay you for just doing this. Like, what you have to do: what is your name? My name is John. Where do you live? I live in France. No. So it keeps on going, blah 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 blah, and you enter all the question and answer, and you get paid. You can watch video of 2 to 3 minutes. You are getting paid. Reviewing an application, you are getting paid. Downloading application, you are getting paid. You can make money with a bunch of strategy with this last part, which is the 5-step. But what I can say here, I have to be honest, you cannot make a lot of money with this 5 strategy. That is it. The only way, the one of the most important way that I've talked about on this video, which is the 4th way, which is you can start making money by blogging. You can make money with 3 strategies with this one. You can start blogging, which is you will be revealing companies like big brand on your website, and if they click that link, you are making money. And if you monetize your website with Google AdSense, you will be making money. If you sponsor people on that your website, you'll be making money. So it just depends on you to choose on this strategy that I've showed you. So I'm going to end this video from here, and let me know what you think about this video that I did. And only what I'm asking from you guys is just to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.